Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about a new topic, that is tags in Locust. All the places, most of that frameworks having the tags related, right? Tags.py. Okay, why tags are basically requirements. Whenever you declare some tasks and task sets as a taggings, what will happen? The tags, whenever you want to run particular tag, then we can able to define the tag into a runtime and it will read. If you want to post method, you only want to execute that, also we can able to use hyphen tags and we can able to provide the tag name, right? Which is the name you want to provide, the tag name we can able to provide and we can able to initiate. Sequence order, we can able to use the same class values. Now this is one kind of tags code and I'm going to use for tags. Mhm. Tag is the name, small t we require, and this method I'm going to use at the rate tag. In the tag I'm going to use for the name is get, and even you can able to use n number of names here, which is a single quotation comma. You can able to use a method. You can able to use sanity, smoke, any kind of tag you can able to provide. Okay, after that here we can able to use tag and single quotation post method. Okay, these are methods I used, and you can able to run whenever you're running. You can able to provide the tag name, and the tag name which you provided, that particular method only it will execute. It will not execute for another any value. Okay, how we can able to see? Now we can able to come to here, the down. Now I have tags dot py space hyphen tags, then I'm going to use for post. If I hit it here, now it is started. I'm going to new set, I'm going to provide the same one. You can able to see only for post method is keep on executing, correct? It is not hitting for any other, because I have get method, but it still it is not working for get method, correct? Now I'm going to use for same place uh, another tag which is okay. Here I'm going to use for some different name, patch method. Okay, but sanity I used here, sanity. You can able to see there are couple of things we can able to use, patch, and also you can able to use here patch. Now I'm going to use here sanity is the common for both the places, right? I'm using for sanity. Now sanity, the two methods it will hit, but it will not hit for post method. It will hit only get and patch method, which we are going to using for commands, right? Now you can able to see here, now get patch, git patch. Because we use sequence, that is why it is running for sequence order. Otherwise, it will hit for continuously one by one. Keep on the things. Git post, git patch, git patch. Okay, this is a format we can able to use tags. It will help you when you want to run for runtime, which method you want to run, or random values when you pick and hitting. It will particular methods only. If you sometimes the failures happen, you want to run that failure test case. That moment we can able to use this tag and we can able to run it. By using this, we can able to achieve for particular file to running. I hope you understand this one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.